5.
Hi, my name is Emila. Welcome to Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you need to know about the life of a 6th grader. Today my special guest is Gabriel, who will be talking to us about the time he was attacked by a shark. Welcome, Gabriel. Also joining us is our live studio audience in Rockaway Park, Queens, Class 601. Welcome, 601. So tell me, what exactly happened?
Me and my class were on a field trip to an aquarium in Long Island, and before we went to the main attraction, there was like a bridge or a walkway, and there were like fishes and sharks, and there was like a weird little flatfish, and I pointed for my friend to see, and I'm like, look at that weird fish, and out of nowhere, a shark came out of the water and tried to bite my finger off.
What feelings were you full of during that experience and afterwards as well?
During the experience, I was kind of shocked and scared because I can't believe this was happening to me. I never thought a shark was actually going to attack me. And after the experience, I made sure like I wouldn't do that kind of mistake again.
Did you tell a worker or did you keep to yourself, and why?
I kept it to myself. At the moment, I didn't see why I should share it with anybody, so I kind of kept it to myself, yeah.
Now we have a question from the audience.
What did the behavior of the shark seem like before it tried to bite you?
It was kind of calm. It was just swimming casually, but I guess since I was just pointing, but because I pointed my finger, it kind of felt provoked, I guess.
How did your friends react and your teacher around you?
One of my friends was kind of laughing, don't know why. He kind of saw it as it was funny. All the other kids was like, oh my God! And my teacher didn't see it, so we never told her because we didn't want to get her scared too.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please join us again next week on Notes for the 6th grade. I'm Emila. Goodbye for now.